I promise you all, this footage is not slowed down even a little bit. Look at the crawl on this Walthers train line diesel engine. Like, I mean, it's a little coggy, but he's moving. You can just barely see it. Let me turn it up a little bit. Maybe he did stall. There you go. Incredible, incredible slow speed performance. And obviously good high speed too. I think this is his max. But if I stop him, he's got a flywheel. Well, maybe not all the way. But, and directional lighting. You'll see when he comes back. But if I stop him, flywheel. Also, someone tell me why I didn't know that you couldn't do these. I feel like that's kind of a given, but because the tracks will, like, the power will run into itself, but I just wanted to show the slow speed on this thing. No, I turned it off. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, only cut out for a second, but got a whole bunch of cars over there. We'll do something with those in a second.